Hi, this is Rochelle, Italian, registered dietitian for UNH Dining, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen at home. We're going to make a simple recipe of sweet potato lentil hummus. So I searched for recipes to make a dip with lentils. I found many using sweet potatoes and lentils and customized for this feature. So here are the ingredients we're going to use today. Sweet potato, fresh garlic, lentils, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Clean the sweet potato under cold water with a brush and peel the garlic. Dice the potato and slice the garlic in halves. Then mix with a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper and roast in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes to start. Give the potatoes a stir and roast for another 10 minutes and then let them cool. Canned lentils are convenient. I used one 15-ounce can, which is about 1.5 cups. Cooking dry lentils is another option. Rinse the lentils and place in a food processor, along with the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon sesame tahini, 1 tablespoon olive oil, fresh ground pepper and salt, and the juice of 1 lemon. Once all together, the blending can begin. This hummus focuses on flavor through healthy ingredients. UNH Dining is part of an initiative called Menus of Change, aimed at creating healthy, sustainable menus, like leading with flavor, moving legumes to the center of the plate, and thinking produce first. This dip is a great companion with vegetable sticks, and you can freeze in small batches for later access. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, beta-carotene, and other vitamins. Legumes like lentils are full of flavor, fiber, and, did you know, legume crops help to replace nitrogen in the soil and produce impressive quantities of protein per acre. So there we have it. We have this great hummus that we just made, and I hope you enjoy as much as I do.